Hi guys, my name is Henry from GI Technology. We are inside Kumasi, specifically Ejisu, and we are inside Boomre. Now we are about to fix our gate motor for this very beautiful gate. The client contacted us all the way from Accra just to do all of the security stuff. We did our electric fence, CCTV. Now we are fixing our gate. Now we'll be integrating the gate motor with the gates so that the client can open his gate wherever he is in the world. Okay, so whether it's in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, outside Ghana, Uruguay, UK, United States, you can actually operate this gate wherever it is in the world. Okay, now the gate is now not implemented. We'll do all the corrections here, and when we finish, we'll fix the motor so that you can operate with the remote and open it with the indoor unit, and then wherever it is, you can use his phone to open. If you have any gate project, make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi. Now we are everywhere. We are even in Togo now. Call us now. So you will cut down. Hi guys, so we are done with our projects, very neat and very clean. Inside Ashanti, which is specifically Ejisu, and we are inside Boomre. We are done with this gate motor, very neat and very clean. It took us a few hours to do the automation all the way from Accra. I want to show you how the gate works, very smooth. We came and there were some issues with the gate. We managed to clean them up and everything is very smooth now. Let me show you how the gate works. So this is running on battery, so the speed is a little bit down. All right, that's fully open. And that is actually the fully closed. I'm going to show you how the pedestrian works. So the pedestrian, you just press the remote, then it opens small for you. Then you don't have to press anything, it closes by itself. If you have any gate project, make sure you guys are called. Now we are even outside Ghana. We went to Togo, we've been to Liberia, Niger. Make sure you give us a call. We have the best guys on the market, we have the best prices, and I always say we do the best job. Thank you. Let's